This is Art and Arts English. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to English lesson. In today's lesson, we will talk about one of the parts of speech, and that is noun. Uh, I have already uploaded a video about parts of speech and their subtypes, but in this one and the next upcoming videos, we will be discussing each part of speech individually with detail, with their subtypes and what they are. So today's video is about nouns. Now first of all, let's understand what is noun. I'm sure that we all are aware what noun is. Noun is the naming word. It is the name of any animal or creatures or place or things or feelings or qualities. There are further types of nouns. Now let's see them one by one. First, let's see the common and the proper noun. So the common noun is basically the general names, as for example, girl, city, subject, monument, country, and so on. So the general name. And then there is proper noun. They are specific names. For example, if you're in a room, there are girls. So when you are going to say girl, so if there are 10 of them, you're going to call each one of them girl. And that is the common noun that we just have discussed, right? But if you're going to call individually a girl by her name, that is, for example, Hira. So Hira is the specific name of that girl, right? So Hira is a proper noun. Just like that, Karachi is a specific name of a city. Then history is a specific name of a subject, and Qasim is a specific name of someone as well. Alright, then further common noun can be divided into two parts, and that is countable and uncountable noun. Just remember that I am saying this for your clarification. You can simply state them simply as the types of noun without categorizing them. But if you would, it's going to make it even more easier. So this being said, I was saying the common noun further could be divided into two parts as well. There are two types like countable nouns and uncountable noun. So what is countable noun? They can be numbered or as they are singular or plurals, right? For example, girl or girls, fan or fans, table or tables, and so on. And there is uncountable noun that cannot be numbered, right? So that noun is like water, cement, air, wisdom, love, and so on. Now let's discuss some of the rules of countable and uncountable nouns. Now if there are singular countable nouns, they cannot occur without article or a determiner, right? For example, I have a book or I have lost my book. Understand? Then uncountable nouns cannot take the article a or an. There is sugar in the box. Okay. So sugar here is uncountable noun. So there is not going to be a or an with this noun. So for uncountable nouns, we just cannot determine them through obviously how many they are. We cannot like count them. Basically what? It doesn't have a plural form, right? But we can use units of measurements to refer to the quantity of uncountable items. For example, we bought 3 liters of milk or 2 loaves of bread or a sachet of shampoo and so on. Then both countable and uncountable noun could be concrete or abstract noun. All right. So what is a concrete noun? Let's first just understand what is concrete noun. They can be experienced through any of our five senses. All right. So you need to understand any noun that could be sensed by your five senses. Now, first of all, let's revise all five of the senses, what they are. It's the sense of sight, the sense of smell, the sense of taste, the sense of touch, and the sense of sound, right? So any of the noun that you can sense through these five senses is a concrete noun. All right. For example, boy, paper, height, chair, or car, right? So now comes the abstract noun. Abstract noun is basically a concept or an idea. It's a state of mind, basically, quality or a feeling, right? You cannot sense it with any of your five senses, right? For example, remarks, hopes, desires, feelings, love, and so on. And then there is collective noun. Collective noun means groups. For example, pack of wolves, bunch of keys, army of ants, family or team, and so on. Then there is material noun. Materials used to make different things. For example, silicon, ivory, wood, cement, gold, and so on. And there is compound noun. Compound means the combination of two. So multi-word nouns. For example, haircut, swimming pool, grandmother, vice chancellor, dining table, toothpaste, and so on. Alright, now just let's see. There are some nouns that are always singular. Alright, for example, furniture, coal, clay, cotton, clothing, milk, baggage, money, knowledge, jewelry, luggage, kindness, stuff, homework, bread, butter, wood, and so on. So some nouns only have a plural form. They cannot be used with numbers. They include the names of certain tools or instruments and articles of clothing which have two parts as jeans, scissors, goods, spectacles, slippers, arms, clothes, trousers, binoculars, pajamas, sunglasses, headphones, outskirts, earrings, likes, dislikes, and so on. Then there are nouns that are singular in form but plural in use. For example, cattle, police, people, and so on. Then there are nouns that are plural in form but singular in use. So to describe them, some nouns are used only in the singular even though they end in s. These include the names of academic subjects as classics, economics, mathematics or maths, physics, the physical activities or gymnastics, and aerobics. Then the diseases as measles and mumps, and the word news, and so on. So this was one of the parts of speech, nouns, its types, a few examples of its types. So now let's give a look at them one more time. So noun, we have discussed, noun is the naming word. Noun has further types and they are common noun, proper noun. Further, common noun has countable, uncountable noun, concrete or abstract noun, collective or material noun, or compound noun. These are the types of the nouns and some very small but very important rules. I hope you have enjoyed this video and it has made noun a little bit more clear to you. I will see you with another video, inshallah, with other parts of speech, one of them, and I will discuss it in detail. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.